Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your influencer marketing with AspireIQ, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by familiarizing yourself with AspireIQ's platform. Create an account and select a plan that aligns with your business goals. Log in and navigate to the dashboard to get a comprehensive overview of your campaigns. Start by defining your influencer marketing objectives clearly. Identify your target audience and specify their demographics. Utilize the search function to find influencers that resonate with your niche. Use filters to narrow down results based on engagement rate, follower count, and content type. Review influencer profiles, including their past collaborations and audience insights. Shortlist potential influencers who align with your brand values. Reach out to selected influencers directly through AspireIQ's messaging feature. Craft personalized messages that resonate with their style and audience. Discuss campaign goals and establish partnership terms transparently. Once you finalize agreements, develop a detailed campaign brief for your influencers. Include specific guidelines, content deliverables, and deadlines in your brief. Set up tracking parameters to monitor campaign performance effectively. Launch your campaign and encourage influencers to create authentic content. Monitor social media engagement and performance metrics frequently. Use AspireIQ's analytics tools to assess influencer impact and ROI. Collect feedback from your influencers for insights on campaign execution. Make necessary adjustments to improve future collaborations based on this feedback. Review the campaign results thoroughly to understand what worked and what didn't. Document your findings to refine your influencer marketing strategy moving forward. Leverage successful partnerships for future campaigns to build long-term relationships. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.